Imagine you are given a question like this. How would you solve it? It is very easy. Let's solve it together. Now, they say which of the following is a physical change, right? It's a physical change. The first thing is that what does physical change means? Okay, we have two type of change. We have physical change and chemical change. For physical change, no new substance is formed. No new substance. But for chemical change, new substance are formed. Okay, just like when you talk about you burning of wood, you saw that you cannot. And also, you also have to understand that for physical change, it is what reversible. While chemical change, it is what non-reversible. Now let's look at these options. Which one fits into the fact that okay, it is reversible and no new substance is being formed out of all these four options. Okay, adding ion filling to aerated water. Now this is ion, Fe. Now aerated water here is trying to talk about when you have H2O and what? Air, oxygen. Now don't forget that this whole thing itself is the concept of what? Rust. That's why they will tell you that rust will never happen except water and air is present. This one I just told you now is a jam question. Do you understand? So rust happen when there is water and air. It is not when there is one of this. The two must be there. I've seen a question where they will ask you which of the following condition makes happen like rust. It's necessary for rusting to happen. Please take note. It is the two. Okay, that means a chemical change will happen. A new substance is being formed. You have something like Fe2O3.2X Okay, this is the compound. So this one itself is what we call rust. So new substance is formed. That means this one is a chemical change. Adding sodium to water. In fact, this experiment I've performed it before in my secondary school. They call it darting. Darting. When you add sodium is very soft. When you add sodium to water, there's darting and there will be formation of different things. Understand? In fact, there's a concept of when sodium is even being exposed to air and it reacts to different component of the air. It reacts to oxygen, it reacts to water, and it reacts to CO2 when it is exposed to air. Those are the three things: oxygen, water, CO2. You have to know those three things when it reacts in the air and the air component. But when it just reacts with water, it's for hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, now that means new substance is being formed here. So it's not a physical change, it's a chemical change. Now, cooling water to ice, absolutely. Just like the one you have at home, you can perform this one too at home. Go and take your ice block and put it on the table. You see that it will convert to water. Put that water back into the fridge, it will convert to ice. So it's reversible. So that means this one is a physical change. It's a physical change because eventually no new substance is being formed. They can reverse them. Burning domestic gas for cooking. Absolutely, you should know that the component of our cane inside domestic gas is propane and butane. So don't forget, these are hydrocarbons. And this hydrocarbon can undergo what we call what? Combustion. You understand? So when you light up the gas, they can undergo combustion and form maybe CO2 and water. Okay, these are the components. So absolutely, you should agree with me that these are chemical change because new substance is being formed. You understand? How do I know this? I know that propane is 3, this is 4. So I say 34. Those are the components. You understand? That's why I know this. So basically, that's the answer to this question. So I want to ask you a question and tell me if it is a chemical change or a physical change. So burning of wood, is it a physical change or chemical change? Drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the next class. So the answer to this question is what? C, cooling water to ice. Bye.